Well, repairing this DJI Mini 3 was one of the hardest things I've done. In fact, I don't think I could have done it without my wife's help. Replaced the arm, I can't tell you which one now. Probably this one. And all the propellers, basically. And note, there's like these B and A different sided propellers. I haven't flown it yet. But I don't know how they repair these things on the battlefield. They're so fiddly. I mean, I'm 46 and I found it really hard to see how to bring it out in the sunlight just to see things. Of course, I have to like stare down the bottom half of my glasses to see things. And I couldn't have done it without some blue tack, I think. But anyway, I haven't even flown it. I don't even know if this works, so let's see. The moment of truth. Let's go. Let's hopefully my kids are...
Take off.
Oh wow.
Point updated.
It's working. Let's record. 3, 2, 1. Can you see me? Yeah, it's me. That is so satisfying that it's working again. So, if anyone's in Cornwall and is a drone enthusiast, because I do want to repair and make my own drones. I think it's a valuable skill. I'm ready to move off DJI. I'm ready to move off this consumer one. I'm ready to move off it. Let's see. Where am I? Yeah, I'm ready to move off this. Even though this is a really good kit to get started with. There we go. And we're landing.
Landing.
Yoo-hoo!